Hi children, now it's your turn to tell me what sound is this. Teacher Rose will flash the phonic sound and you have to give me the sound, alright? First, can you tell me what sound is this? Yes, this is sound. One more time. This is sound. Next, can you tell me what sound is this? Yeah, this is a sound. This is a sound. How about this? Can you tell me what sound is this? Yes, this is the sound. This is the sound. Move on. What sound is this? Yeah, this is sound. One more time. This is sound. How about this children? Can you tell me what sound is this? Yeah, you're right. This is sound. This is sound. Next, can you tell me what sound is this? Yeah, this is sound. This is sound. And the last is this one. Can you tell me what sound is this? Yeah, also we call it sound. But if Teacher Rose put it together, now can you tell me what sound is this? Great! You still remember this sound. This is sound. One more time. This is sound. Okay children, that's all for our revision today. See you next time. Bye!